Welcome to Gartner Intelligence's new Market Minute video series, where each month we look at the data, trends, and events impacting a specific end market. This month we will share with you why we believe that the housing construction market is poised for long-term growth. When we look at the number of young household formations, that is, those aged between 25 and 34 years old, we see that that number of households has grown by 20% since the Great Recession of 2008. And yet when we look at the rebound in housing starts since the Great Recession, we see that housing starts still are not even at their long-term rate. Lastly, when we look at bank lending standards, we see that standards continue to be very conducive to mortgage seekers. Overall, when we look at all of our data combined, we see that the home construction market is vastly underserving new households. And we believe that this represents an opportunity for manufacturers to really enter this market and to find new opportunities. Thank you for allowing us to share with you our brief take on the home construction market. With Gartner Intelligence, I'm Michael Guckes.